Hi, I'm Brian Burke, Woody's DIY and gardening expert. It's been a long, bleak winter and we're all itching to get back out into the garden and get stuck into a few jobs. Top of the list should be cultivating, aerating, turning over and digging the soil in any beds that you plan to do some planting in. Here's what you're going to need. So that's the bed cultivated, treated and ready to go. Why not capitalize on that momentum now and go ahead and plant it? If you're not in a position to plant it straight away, a layer of organic mulch to suppress those weeds is always a good idea.